Imagine we're in a typical school in Colombia. Now, imagine that 100 boys and girls entered the first grade. How many do you think that passed to 5th grade? If you say 85, you are correct. Now, how many of those 100 boys and girls who entered 1st grade do you think that finishes 9th grade? Yes, only 67 of them finishes 9th grade. And now, how many do you think that graduate from high school? Well, of every 100 boys and girls who enter to 1st grade, only 39 of them graduate from high school. My name is Isabela Perea. I'm a student of Government and Public Affairs, and I'm going to explain to you why school dropout during middle school is an important issue due to the implication it has for future, both for the individual himself and the society, and also one solution that has been developed in order to face this problem. As I illustrated before, although approximately 1 in 5 students does not continue studying after primary school, the weakest link in Colombian educational system is basic secondary education, where the annual dropout rate is 4.5%. This is disturbing because, as Vallona Lopez found, individually desertion can cause frustration as a feeling of failure derives from the situation. Also, in the social sphere, the deserter group becomes vulnerable to fall into drug addiction, alcoholism, and organized crime. And also, economically, desertion limits men and women to leave the circle of poverty. School dropout is a complex phenomenon that involves multiple determinants that must be understood together in order to achieve effective solutions. Some determinants of school dropout are being male, belonging to an ethnic group, late entry to elementary school, loss of motivation due to the economic problems, and also being 2 or 3 years above the average age expected to attend a certain grade. It is also possible to identify family factors such as living in socioeconomic stratum 1 or 2, living with only one parent, and change of residence. Also, school factors related with situations that occur during school can affect the student's decision of dropping out. This taking into account that it is observed that learning environments where there are frequent conflict between students, situations of bullying, aggression problems, and disciplinary problems can influence the student's decision, the motivation, and increase the probability of dropping out. Now, as you can see in the graph, in recent years, the school dropout has had a significant decrease. It has a slight decrease between 2014 and 2016, but it has continued to decrease in the recent years. This shows that the number of students who currently drop out from school is much lower compared to the ones that dropped out during 2010. Now, due to the negative impact that school dropout can produce, some intervention has been developed in Colombia for promoting students' permanence. The most recognized program is this one, FAMILIAS in ACCION, which is a conditional cash transfer program that seeks to encourage the poorest families in the country to keep their children in the school. The program aims to encourage the scholar permanence of children between 7 to 17 years old, to delivery of a scholarship according to the number of children and young people who in the family who are attending school. An impact evaluation carried out from this program shows that it has had a positive impact over the educational component. According to what Garcia and Saavedra found, the dropout rate has decreased by 0.5 percentage points, and the grade promotion rate has increased more or less 0.9 percentage points from 1st grade to 9th grade, and 0.3 percentage points from 5th grade to 9th grade. Now, do you remember the 100 boys and girls that I mentioned at the beginning? Well, although there is still an important number that is dropping out from school, FAMILIAS in ACCION has allowed that more boys and girls to remain in school and thus have greater opportunities to improve their lives. Thank you.